to like plan, because I be on programs. And anyway, yo, what up? So we got my homie Frank White over here getting his lift on.
About to get the workout in.
Yeah, what you got going on today?
So I had some endurance. I hit a mile run. I'm gonna generate some power doing some power cleans now.
That's some serious power there, ladies and gentlemen. Horsepower. He got horsepower. Anyway, he was asking me what I got planned, and not that, first of all, but like I've been so busy with so many projects that I have failed to like program for myself and for you guys as well, right? So right now, I'm just gonna play catch up this week. So I'm just gonna go with like a minimalist strength workout, like one of the classics, you know, still with the lower upper split. Today I'm going to just do some squatting, probably go for another high volume session like 5x10, 4x10, and 3x15. Just three, just the hinges and the reverse lunges, right? So all of that is going to be down below. And yeah, get after it, man. No excuses. But I need to get to programming again, man. Because like I've been, yeah, that's what happened. Like it's a good and a bad thing when you get busy, but like I always preach, you got to take care of your needs first, right? So yeah, get after it. Oh,
you are your own brand.
Exactly. You know, you go as far as this up here goes. Exactly. All right, so let me get ready. Let me get warmed up and ready to go. All right, let's do it. Biggest aspect when designing your program or going through a program is to ask yourself, is it sustainable? Like that is the biggest key, because if you're just going to be like program yo-yoing, like yo-yo dieting, then you'll never see results. So make sure that the program that you are on or about to be on is something that you could continuously do for a long period of time, or at least long enough for you to see your results. All right, what up, hold on, let me get this camera right. All right, so we are currently at Form, and my good buddy, the founder of Form, PERETZ.
What's up, bud?
Yo, I'm just blown away, because there was pictures taken, and literally like being physically here is just amazing. This is like basically every trainer's wet dream right now. Like, I don't even think this video will do it justice. So where can they find you if they're looking for personal training?
Well, you can still go to my site, which is PERETZTheTrainer.com, and just kinks are still being ironed out as far as like website and all that.
Yeah.
But PERETZTheTrainer.com, you can email me there, and
I'll put the link down below.
Yeah.
But man, this is amazing. Look at this beautiful turf. Like, geez, the brick wall, the Kaiser machine, the ski erg, the Airdyne. They got a, oh man, look at this kettlebell set right here, man. Oh my God, it's like still brand new.
brand new. Everything's brand new.
Oh, ooh, it feels brand new too. All right, so anybody that wants to train with me, all right, you guys come here.
Yeah, come here.
And
all are welcome.
Oh my. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue to drool. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of like this beautiful space in Back Bay Village. Also have, contact me. Yeah, Bay Village. Contact me or contact PERETZ if you want some training. This is a personal training studio space. So, yeah man.
Come on by, check it out.
Amazing.
Great space.